Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can add beat in CapCut. So you can manually add it, or you can have this system add it for you. So make sure you've extracted the audio from your video, or you have an audio added. Click on it and then choose match cut. And then here you can add beat by yourself, as you can see, or you can choose the auto generate one. And from there you can choose either from a beat 1, which only has one beat, or beat 2, because this audio isn't really a song, so it doesn't really have that much beats. But there you go. Once you are satisfied with your option, just press the check mark button and you can see the beats here. That is basically it. Super simple, but I do hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!